If you're looking for spice mills and grinders, this video is for you. My name is Lily, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click the circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, by MOSAIC. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by MOSAIC. Number 3, by Orpio. For more info and great spice mills and grinders, just click this circle. Number 4, by MOSAIC. Number 5, by Renberg. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.